Hey, what's up guys? Let's make oxtail lasagna, and this is a quick one. It only takes 2 days. I got the homemade oxtail ragu, homemade pasta, the perfect bite. Let's begin. Now, if you got 2 days to spare, you can follow the recipe on my website. We're gonna season the oxtails and brown those off. I've got a mirepoix going into the food processor. We want that finely minced. We're gonna saute the mirepoix to get out some of the additional moisture. For our tomatoes, we're gonna take some San Marzanos, season them up, and then blend them into a smooth puree. Next, we're gonna get the brown oxtails into the pressure cooker, mirepoix, bay leaves, thyme, wine, water, tomato puree. You're gonna go 2 hours, high pressure, skim the fat off the top, pull all of the meat off the bones. The oxtail is super tender. You're gonna shred it with a fork. Next, we're gonna reduce the ragu. We're gonna add the oxtail to it to help the collagen from the oxtail further thicken the sauce. You can add a Parmesan rind to the ragu to add some additional depth of flavor. Once it's nice and thick, set it to the side and cool it all the way down. We're gonna make the bechamel. You've seen this a million times. You wanna season it up with some nutmeg, white pepper, MSG, and salt. Run it through a fine mesh strainer or a chinois to get that nice smooth texture. We're gonna make the lasagna sheets from scratch. Now you do have to make everything else from scratch, but the lasagna sheets you can actually buy from the store. I went ahead and made it from scratch because I'm spending 2 days making a dish. I might as well do everything homemade. Now we're gonna par cook these 1 minute only, ice bath. Now we're gonna build this layer by layer, ragu, noodle, bechamel, pecorino romano, fried garlic, and then we're just gonna repeat it until we are all the way up to the top. So this goes from assembly to the fridge to cool down completely. Then we slice, we heat up our individual portions. We're pairing with an oxtail cream sauce and the noodles are perfectly al dente. We're ready to eat.